There we go.
Wait. Okay, Randy, move. You're gonna get hit. Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day!
Ooh, look at that. Yay! Look at my Hunkaburn and Liv. Chloe, say hi to Grandma and Grandpa. Hi, Grandma and Grandpa. So this is what we're doing for Valentine's Day. Just hanging out. Randy made me a wonderful salad. For Mother's Day. Randy made me a yummy salad. I can't wait to eat it. Here, let's go see the salad.
I'm not done.
As we enter to the chef's lair.
Should I add that thing back, lettuce? Because...
Let's see. Here's my salado. That's fine. Just one bag.
Should I add a bit more?
Doesn't that look good? We're going to put a little Italian dressing. It's going to be delicioso. I can't wait. And Tom is making me homemade pasta. So, love you. Happy Mother's Day. Believe it or not, I was all dressed up and very beautiful today, but I totally changed, so sorry. But love you very much. Happy Mother's Day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.